People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win, that's why I'ma try again.
People, welcome back to my channel, people. Welcome back. So, everybody know that Trump is in power and everybody want to vote him out. Well, we want him out. And we're hoping Joe Biden can do such. We are praying and hoping that people go out and vote so we can take him out of power. So, people, Joe Biden selects his vice president. Joe Biden selects VP running mate with Jamaican roots, people. You never hear that? Her name is Kamala Harris. So Joe Biden named California Senator Kamala Harris as his running mate on Tuesday, making history by selecting the first black woman to compete on a major party's presidential ticket, and acknowledging the vital role black voters will play in his bid to defeat President Donald Trump. And he's right. People, how America is like, them need to see somebody that resemble them on their side. And that will allow other voters to go out and vote, because everybody wants Trump out of the White House. Everybody. So they say, I have the great honor to announce that I've picked Kamala Harris, a fearless fighter for the little guy and one of the country's finest public servants, as my running mate. That's what Joe Biden tweeted this morning about Kamala Harris. In a text message to supporters, Biden, together with you, we are going to beat Trump. Harris and Biden plan to deliver remarks Wednesday in Wilmington. In choosing Harris, Biden is embracing a former rival from the Democratic primary who is familiar with the unique rigor of a national campaign. Harris, a 55-year-old first-term senator, is also one of the party's most prominent figures and quickly became a top contender for the number 2 spot after her own White House campaign ended. So she was running as well, but she decided to say like she's gonna drop out of it because she don't really have the full support and probably the financial support to back her. So she dropped out of the race. So now Biden take her on board, and you don't know, with her and Biden we are gonna get Mr. Trump out of the White House. Harris joins Biden in the 2020 race at a moment of unprecedented national crisis, people. We're going through it. A woman has never served as president or vice president in the United States. 2 women have been nominated as running mates on major party tickets. Democratic Geraldine Ferrell in 1984 and Republican Sarah Palin in 2008. Their party lost in the general election. I remember Miss Palin. I don't remember what party she served with, but I remember her running as well. So Miss Kamala Harris, born in Oakland to a Jamaican father and an Indian mother, Harris won her first election in 2003 when she became San Francisco's district attorney. In the role, she created a re-entry program for low-level drug offenders and cracked down on student truancy. So people, she have Jamaican roots. You know, she have the Jamaican vote as well. So big up yourself, Miss Kamala Harris, and we are rooting for you and Mr. Biden. Something good in 2020 have to give, people, and we are hoping this is it. So I want to say congratulations to you guys both, and we are, as I said, praying and hoping for the best come November. Change is coming, people. Change is a must. Big up yourself, people, and once again, we'll definitely keep you up to date on what is going on with Miss Kamala Harris and Mr. Biden, people. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for subscribing. Big up in yourself. One love.